Good morning everyone. My name is Fatiha and this is my group mates, Justin and Fazrul. So today our group represent about the advantages of using the agriculture product. Okay, firstly, what is agriculture? When I was young, I always thought that agriculture doesn't really affect my life. I just think that agriculture is only the source of food for humans. But actually it is not. Um, if I get since I studied in agriculture field in UPM, so I have got many knowledge about the agriculture. So what is agriculture and what is the advantages of the agriculture? Firstly, agriculture is the cropping of uh, uh, growing of crops and rearing of animals. As we know, modern agriculture now has become more advanced and rely more on machinery. What types of machinery that has been used by the farmers? There are tractors, combine harvesters, trailers, sprayers, and many more. Even though it has been practiced by the beginning of humanity, there are quite a number that still don't know what is the advantages of the using agriculture product. So let us begin with the first one, agriculture product as the food sources for humans and animals. Why do I say so? As we all know, we as a humans really need food for our growth and for our development. So agriculture product will provide food that can be consumed by the human and animals. There are various types of food that can be produced by the agriculture such as vegetables, fruits, meat, and so on. Other than that, animal also can be fed on agriculture such as hay, fodder, silage, and many more. As a human being also, we need nutrient to stay healthy. So in order for that, we can receive the nutrient from the plant. So it is obviously sure that agriculture is really the food sources for living things such as human and animals.
Okay, thank you, Fatiha. I will continue our presentation. Okay, I will mention about 2 points: employment opportunities and international trade. Okay, let's get started talking about employment opportunities. Okay, in employment opportunities, there are a lot of employment opportunity sector such as dairy, livestock production, farm management, sales and marketing, and food processing. Okay, so listen, when more employment vacancy in agriculture sector to be filled, more agriculture output can be produced. In addition, more agriculture product sale can generate more profit and income to the company. For the second point is international trade. When the dual countries are conducting international trade, they will cooperate each other in order to fulfill their respective local product. So exclusively, their diplomacy relationship become stronger. This is just like Malaysian export oil palm to the Australian, then Australian export their livestock to the and to the beef production. Okay, for the third point is health improve. Okay, so this point is very interesting. So listen. Listen. Organic compound and material derived from certain agricultural products contain nutrients that are benefit to human health. Like what recently scientists have that proven a positive sign that red dates can reduce heart disease. By drinking red dates or eating it can reduce high blood pressure. Further, to decrease a huge impact on the heart. Isn't In addition, the content vitamin A2, the present of vitamin A help in increasing the health of our eyes. Isn't this interesting? If you all wonder how this particular thing can impact giving all of you health and also beautiful. This bring my second point, which is egg as a cosmetic product. I believe most girls in here love to be beautiful, and I know you know about aloe vera. So listen, aloe vera is famously used to help heal sunburn. The healing extraction, the aloe vera can be exploited to help reduce immediate pain caused by burns, as well as to promote and possibly quicken the overall healing process. Okay, for the cucumber product, I once see movie where the actor went to the spa and having cucumber on their eyes. They is made me curious to do a research on it. Then I saw out that cucumber are a hidden source of beta carotene, a type of vitamin A, is well known for its beneficial effect on eyes health and vision. It consists also high moisture content, which can make your eyes look like innocent like cats. So girl, go and try a cucumber on your eyes to attract most guy like you like. Give your life a wonderful time.
Okay, thank you, Pastor, for the interesting talk. Well, it's time for me to present my point. Last but not least, the fourth point of all is to make sure the agriculture products will give back soil fertility to the nature. There's a lot of ways of improving soil fertility, but most of the ways that people have used recently is none other than not the green way. So we need to improve the soil fertility the green way, because there's an importance of expanding the uses of agriculture productions methods that are both agronomically and economically sustainable. Whereas once think about it, I love to drink coconut because recently a lot of people is having a lot of problems with the heat around the world. It's almost 35 degrees right now. Not a good choice. That's why I drink a lot of coconut. And I wonder, what does coconut husk does with, and what it is the use of coconut husk. I did a lot of research, whereas coconut can give coconut fiber and also coconut peat, which can further increase the soil fertility the green way. This is the ways of getting the coconut fiber and also coconut peat, which is we harvest coconut from the coconut tree and then we harvest the husk to make it as a fiber or a peat. Not to mention that there's four main benefits of using cocoa peat. The first thing is natural. As you can see, coconuts fall from the tree and might be knocking your head like the Tom and Jerry. The second one is healthy. Hot weather, drinking coconut water rehydrates your body. The third thing, economic. heavy structures. After having the hard work of everything, drinking coconut water is good. After drinking coconut, use it to make it soil fertility ways to increase the crops is also the best. And the fourth, but not least, is my second point of all, which I can elaborate much more on it, which is the organic fertilizers. In organic fertilizers, like what we seen in this picture, we can see that organic fertilizers have a much more nutrients that to give to organic to have organic methods to improve the micro and biological plant microorganism relationship. It gives both players to have nutrients that can be regenerated again and again. Whereas synthetic fertilizers, they only give nutrients towards the plant and no benefits to the microorganisms. We need both parties to make the world a green place, because in this particular field, we don't want to have a lot of chemicals all around it. You don't want to eat chemical food, aren't you? That's why there's a lot of differences between organic and inorganic fertilizers. They are cheap, not expensive, improve soil structure, and help check in soil erosions. And that brings to our conclusion here today. In conclusion, I believe that all of us have learned a lot of things from my group mates, Fatia and also Pasru. We can know that actually agriculture products have given us a lot of benefits, such as food process, such as food sources, economics, soil fertility, and none other than girls, health, and also your beautiness. I hope everyone who are present here today are able to learn from our presentation and continue living a healthy life. As what Booker T. Washington once said, no race can be prospered till it learns. There is as much dignity in tilling a field as in writing a poem. That's all from us. Enjoy it and be happy. Thank you.